Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about artificial intelligence, data science, or simply curious about how technology is shaping our world, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a fascinating tool that's revolutionizing how we search through massive datasets, FAISS. So, let's unravel the mystery behind FAISS and see why it's becoming a go-to solution in AI search. But what exactly is FAISS, and why should you care? Well, let's find out. FAISS, which stands for Facebook AI Similarity Search, is an open-source library developed by Facebook AI Research. It's designed for efficient similarity search and clustering of dense vectors. Now, you might be wondering, what's a dense vector and why is it important? Great question! In the world of AI and machine learning, data is often represented in the form of vectors. When we talk about dense vectors, we mean those that have many dimensions or features. For example, imagine you have a collection of images. Each image can be converted into a vector through a process called feature extraction. This vector represents the image in a way that a machine learning model can understand. Now, when you have thousands or even millions of images, searching through them to find something similar can be incredibly time-consuming. FAISS helps speed up this process. It allows for fast nearest neighbor searches, which means it can quickly find the closest vectors to a given vector in a data set. Let's illustrate this with an example. Imagine you have a database of 1 million product images for an online store. A customer uploads a picture of a pair of shoes and wants to find similar products. Without FAISS, searching through those million images could take a long time, maybe even several minutes. However, with FAISS, that search can be completed in milliseconds. This efficiency is crucial for providing a seamless user experience. FAISS utilizes various indexing techniques to optimize search speed. For instance, it can use a method called product quantization. This technique compresses the vectors to save memory and enhance search speed while still maintaining accuracy. With FAISS, you can also choose to use multiple GPUs, further accelerating the search process. According to Facebook's research, FAISS can handle searches over billions of vectors while maintaining high accuracy and low latency. This capability makes it an indispensable tool for companies dealing with large datasets like social media platforms, e-commerce sites, and image or video databases. Now, let's take a moment to discuss some real-world applications of FAISS. One notable use case is in recommendation systems. For instance, streaming services like Netflix and Spotify use similar algorithms to recommend movies or songs based on user preferences. By employing FAISS, these platforms can quickly analyze user data and suggest content that aligns with individual tastes. Another application can be found in natural language processing. When you input a query into a search engine, it often transforms your words into vectors. FAISS helps retrieve the most relevant documents or search results by finding the closest vectors efficiently. This is essential for providing meaningful and accurate responses, making tools like chatbots and virtual assistants much more effective. So, what are some key features that make FAISS stand out? 1. High performance. FAISS is optimized for both speed and memory efficiency. 2. Scalability. It can scale from small datasets to billions of vectors. 3. Flexibility. The library supports various indexing methods, allowing users to choose the best approach for their specific needs. 4. Easy integration. FAISS can be easily integrated with popular machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, making it accessible for developers and researchers alike. Before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning that while FAISS is incredibly powerful, it does require some understanding of vector mathematics and data representation. However, its documentation is comprehensive, and there's a vibrant community around it ready to help newcomers get started. In summary, FAISS is a game-changer in the realm of AI search, providing fast, efficient, and scalable solutions for handling large datasets. Whether you're working with images, text, or any other type of vectorized data, FAISS can significantly enhance your search capabilities. If you found this video helpful and want to dive deeper into the world of AI and machine learning, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. and let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of technology.